Hello friends. I thought I'd do a quick little tutorial to show you how to extend a row of stitches. In this case, I've got a block of double crochet. I have 3 rows of double crochet where I use a chain 3, 9 double crochet, chain 3, 9 double, chain 3. So on this third row, and there are 10 stitches per row, what if I wanted to do 12 stitches, 11 stitches? Here's what you do. Basically, you're extending the row with an extra step. So like I said, this is a double crochet, so we're going to yarn over. What you want to do is go into where you made this double crochet in the previous stitch from the previous row. You want to go into that same space, grab a loop and pull it up. So this is where typically you'd make a double crochet. Well, you're going to do one step first. I want you to yarn over, just pull through the first loop. What that does is it makes a foundation to complete your double crochet, and then you'll use that base foundation stitch is where it will use to do a next one. So now I'm going to just complete my double, and that's one extended stitch. Let's do that again. And here's where it can be, I urge you to make this foundation loop or chain, whatever you want to call it, try to be generous with it. Don't do it too tight because then it's hard to find it. So yarn over, you kind of go to the bottom of it. So you find that loop, get the front and the back of it. Go through there. It's the hard part. See how this other yarn is there? Just if you can just grab the front and back. See what that looks like? Grab your loop, grab your yarn, pull through, and try to make it a little loose or looser than your stitch. Just pull through that one loop, then you can do your double crochet. So let's do it again. Yarn over, go into the bottom, front and back, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, just pull through the first loop, then finish your double crochet. So that's what 3 extendeds look like. And yeah, that's it.